Welcome back again in our lesson Equation of the Line. This time we're going to find the equation of the line using the two-point form. Therefore, the given here are 2 points. The two-point form is given by the formula y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied to x minus x sub 1. As you can see, we replace our m by this formula because if you want to get the slope, you have to use y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let us have an example. Find the equation of the line that passes through -2, 3, and -4, 5. So let us assign which is x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, and y sub 2. So this is the first point. Therefore, this is our x sub 1, y sub 1. And since we have here the second point, this will become our x sub 2 and y sub 2. And then let us use the formula. Y minus y sub 1, that is positive 3, equals y sub 2, that is positive 5, minus y sub 1 again, that's positive 3, over x sub 2, so it's negative 4, minus x sub 1, it's negative 2. And then multiply 2x minus x sub 1 again, so it's negative 2. And then let us simplify. So first, let us copy y minus 3 equals 5 minus 3 will give us 2 over, this will become negative 4 plus 2 because negative times negative is positive. And then times x, this will also become plus 2. And then simplify further. So y minus 3 equals 2 over negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 times x plus 2. Simplify further. Y minus 3 equals 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1 times x plus 2. And then you have to distribute negative 1 inside. So let us continue here. Copy y minus 3 equals negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. And then we have here negative 3, so we have to add 3 to both sides. So we can cancel this. So y is equal to negative x. And then combine this. That's plus 1. Therefore, this is our slope-intercept form. So if you want to write this in standard form, this will become x plus y equals 1. Standard form is x plus y equals 1. This is an easier example. So let us have 2, 3 as our x sub 1 and y sub 1. And 4, 5 as x sub 2, y sub 2. And then let us use the formula. Y minus y sub 1, it's 3, equals y sub 2, so it's 5, minus y sub 1, 3 again, all over x sub 2, that's 4, minus x sub 1, so it's 2, times x minus x sub 1, 2. Y minus 3 equals, let us simplify this part, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then copy x minus 2. And then simplify this part again. So it becomes y minus 3 equals 1 times x minus 2. We can distribute 1. It will give us answer such as x minus 2. And then since we have here minus 3, you have to add 3 to both sides. And then we can cancel this. So y is equal to x, and then combine these two, that's positive 1. So the answer is y equals x plus 1. This is the slope-intercept form. So if you want to make this or write this in standard form, from y equals x plus 1, it will become negative x plus y equals 1. And since we have here a negative sign, you have to multiply both sides by negative 1. Therefore, the final answer is positive x minus y equals negative 1. This is the standard form. Last example. Again, let us assign our x sub 1, y sub 1, as well as the x sub 2, y sub 2. Let us follow the formula. Y minus y sub 1, it's negative 3, equals y sub 2, so it's negative 5, minus y sub 1, it's negative 3, all over x sub 2, it's 4, minus x sub 1, it's negative 2, times x minus x sub 1, so it's negative 2 again. And then simplify, y plus 3 equals negative 5 plus 3 all over 4 plus 2. And then here we have x plus 2. Simplify further. So this will become y plus 3 equals negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 over 4 plus 2 is 6 times x plus 2. As you can see, we have here negative 2 over 6. We can simplify this into negative 1/3. Y, wait lang, it's y plus 3 equals negative 1/3 times x plus 2. And then distribute, copy y plus 3 equals negative 1/3 times x is negative 1/3 x. Negative 1/3 times positive 2 is negative 2/3. And then since we have here positive 3, we have to subtract 3 to both sides. So y is equal to negative 1/3 x. And then combine these, we have negative 3 and 2/3. You can convert negative 3 and 2/3 into improper fraction if you want. And then on the next slide, I'm going to show you how to convert this into a standard form. The slope-intercept form that we got is y equals negative 1/3 x minus 3 and 2/3. So first, let us convert negative 3 and 2/3 into improper fraction. So let's copy the other parts. So we have 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 for the numerator over, copy the denominator 3. And then since we have a denominator of 3, we can multiply both sides by 3. Distribute 3 to y, so 3 times y is 3y equals, you cancel the 3 in the denominator, so it's negative 1x or negative x minus 11. Since we have here negative x, we have to add x to both sides. So we can cancel. So it's x plus 3y equals negative 11. This is the standard form. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Please like, subscribe, and share.